Hi, hello, and warm welcome everyone to my channel of Profound Insights, a journey of learning, inspiration, and discovery where you can learn, grow, and share. Before we proceed further, please click on the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to get a notification of insight content, and this will encourage me to come up with more such videos. Please leave your thoughts in the comments below, and without further delay, let's jump right in. Mental health at work. Let's look at 5 lifestyle changes that will help you achieve a balanced work and personal life. Introduction. Learning a skill that is not related to your work can add a new level of confidence and also help you have some time for yourself. The corporate world can be challenging, with employees under constant client pressure, working overtime, and often even donating their weekends to meet deadlines. There is no doubt that every small and big private firm demands a lot, and unlike abroad, there is no limit on working hours and a fixed day off. Harish C. Rijwani, the author of 9 to 5 Cubicle Tales in his book, mentions that overwork and no breaks with constant pressure affects our mental health. From authors who have written and spoken extensively on corporate work culture and how one can ensure a healthy mental space while balancing work and personal life. Here are 5 basic points that you need to know. Connecting with people. One of the biggest challenges I have seen is that people fear speaking their minds, especially with their managers. There might be many reasons for the same, but if we don't speak out or share what is bothering us, it will keep eating us on the inside. It would really help if you speak with someone you are comfortable with. It could be anyone, your senior, your friend, or even a colleague from another team. If you are a manager, make it a point to speak with your team members one on one once in a while, at least every 6 months. Take some time off. Most of us accumulate most of our leaves and take pride in it when we lose it all at the year end. In most organizations, there is no leave encashment policy either. My point is that many of us take pride in not availing of any personal leaves. We even brag about it by saying we don't like taking any leaves. I am sorry, but even Virat Kohli needed a timeout from all the pressure for a month to get back into the groove of scoring runs. Some organizations have a policy requiring employees to take 5 days of mandatory personal leaves. Exercise and be physically active. Being physically active, especially in a sedentary job, is highly important. Therefore, we need to exercise regularly and daily. Even a 30-minute walk every day will help your physical body and also help reduce the stress on your mind. Learn a new skill. Try to learn something new, possibly something not related to your work, like music or cooking or yoga. By doing so, you will be able to meet new people and get some additional self-confidence. Sleep well. Another important aspect of mental health is getting enough sleep. In general, a good night's sleep rejuvenates your body and mind. One thinks better when one sleeps well. I hope you found this video helpful. As we wrap up, remember the journey doesn't end here. Explore more videos at Profound Insights under the Career Conversations Navigating Success playlist. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe for more content, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your support motivates me to create more videos. Until next time, stay inspired and keep reaching for the stars. Thank you.